Today I have a Ram 1500 and I'm going to show you how to turn on the hazard lights, also called the hazard flashers, also called the flashers, also called the hazards. Whatever you want to call them, I'm going to show you how to turn them on and I'm going to show you how to turn them off. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now with that being said, what I'm going to do is I am sitting in front of the steering wheel in the driver's side of the vehicle. I'm going to turn on the hazard lights. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the right side. And you see this right here? This is a button. It's called the hazard flashers button. Let me get in closer so you can see it a little bit better. See that? The triangle right here. This triangle, that is the button for the hazard flashers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press this. And when I do that, if you look towards the instrument panel, you'll see that the left and right blinkers are blinking and simultaneously. And when you see that, that's indicative that the hazard lights are on. Now to turn them off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back towards this right here and I'm going to press this one more again. Let me get in so you can see this a little bit better. I'm going to press it, and when I press it, the hazard flashers actually turn off. All right, so that is how you turn on and off the hazard flashers in a Ram 1500. You can also call it a Dodge Ram 1500 if you want to, but that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.